welcome to REKHA'S RASOI. Here's where we chase flavors. It's one of those evenings where I've had to rack my brains to come up with something interesting for my tea time snacks. And the simplest that I could think of was the Poha Fingers, Poha being flattened rice. And thankfully it turned out to be really good, leaving my folks asking for more. So come join me in my kitchen to see how easy it is to make Poha Fingers. The ingredients for our Poha Fingers are 1 cup poha or beaten rice. Poha we call it in Hindi. Then 1 boiled potato. I've taken 1 large potato. If you're taking a medium sized potato, you can take two medium sized potatoes. Then you have got 3/4 cup of maida. Red chilli flakes is a half teaspoon. 2 cloves of garlic. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 green chilli finely chopped. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoons finely chopped, and salt as per taste. Now you need to powder this poha, and I've already done this, so this is how it looks. So it should be very finely powdered, and you have to mash the potatoes or grate the potatoes however you wish to do it. And this I've already grated the potatoes, so this is how it looks. Now we mix all the ingredients. In goes the beaten rice or poha. Now we'll take the half teaspoon pepper powder, black pepper powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, red chili flakes, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chilli, green chilli, and the grated potatoes. Now this has to be kneaded into a dough. We don't require water. The water content in the potato will suffice. It should be kneaded into a soft dough. And put the coriander leaves. We have made it into a soft dough. At this point, we will put in the all-purpose flour or maida. This is just for it to be a binding force. Our dough is ready. Now we take a portion of this dough, make it into a ball size. Grease your hand with oil. And make it into cylindrical shapes or whatever shapes you like. Now we cut it into equal size. As you can see, my poha fingers are ready to be fried, so let's fry them. I have heated the oil in the pan. Now the oil is hot, so we can fry our poha fingers. To be very careful, It's become golden brown, so it's ready. We take it off the fire. Now we'll fry the rest of it. Our evening snack is ready. You can have it with your steaming cup of tea or coffee. It's really yummy. Do try this, and as usual, like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is REKHA'S RASOI. Until we meet, bye bye.